Let me ask you something for a little bit moment for truth. You know, Paulo Cruzada, I'm not picking you a fight. I am just here for what you are doing. It is not really good and it's not really nice. Oh, especially to everyone and the others. Oh, like I said before, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, once I called in the Jossums, I make you a public apology. You should make a public apology. Look at me, oh. You should learn about public apology. At least I called the Jossums, so I called the Jossums in telephone. I called in call. I gave to those teachers, Jordan Bunagan, to teach him a lesson. Oh, here's the one thing aside of them. Let's move on from my enemies. Here's the one thing reminder to Dan Mardayaw. Oh, Dan Mardayaw. Anyway, you have to stop posting about Bongbong Marcos because everyone hates Bongbong Marcos. Everyone, ha? Everyone. I am saying in my YouTube blog. Oh, whenever you like Bongbong Marcos, that's your own opinion. Just respect the others who love Rodrigo Duterte, especially Mang Rodelio Daguman. You implicate that you make a fake account of Mang Rodelio Daguman or to criticize Cedric. Mang Rodelio Daguman is busy in work. He never bully Cedric. As perhaps, that scandal of Mang Rodelio Daguman, that was the past, 3 years ago. Oh, I mean 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago. You never learn how to misunderstanding. Oh, this is hard to say, Dan Mardayaw. Don't be such a bully. If you bully someone, Mang Rodelio, if you bully someone, I say to you, Danmar, even not only Mang Rodelio Daguman, oh, you make enemies at Conan Taruk, oh, Conan never harass you, oh, that's really bad. That's why I told by Jerick Silva, oh, Jerick says to me, um, um, watak-watak na ang Autism Society of the Philippines. Even the Hans Inclusion na Philippines dahil kay Danmar. Oh, you know Danmar, this is hard to say. You should not make enemies. Oh, what if there's Atihana? Oh, Atihana was there. Oh, do you think you want to make enemies, Danmar? Oh, even you want to make enemies to other people that you never eventually accuse you or manipulate. Oh, the Duterte supporters, they showing peace. They are not Dilawan. We have our own unity. Oh, if everyone are anti-Marcos, oh, Dan Mardayaw, oh, Sangkay Janjan, I say to both of you, oh, just stop about idolizing Bongbong Marcos. We have a problem, corruption. Here's the one thing, Martin Romualdez, Zaldico, Bongbong Marcos, oh, they are corrupt. Why they are corrupt? They eating money. Oh, you ask Baham Hernando's dad, Jose Maria Hernando, Dan Mardayaw, oh, and Sangkay Janjan. That is not really nice to accuse anyone. I say again, Danmar, whenever you make a manipulation or bully, that is your fault. Oh, everyone, they love Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, look at J.M. Bansisio. Oh, if he's a pro-Duterte, he's an anti-Marcos. His parents are victim of martial law. Oh, you see that Danmar Dayao and Sangkay Janjan, that J.M. Bansisio are a victim of martial law of Marcos Sr. They experience it. JM was not yet born yet. JM was born 1993. Oh, he is older than 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 Christian Mengito, oh, or David Gill. Oh, JM Bansicio's parents are victim of martial law. I say again, Danmar, to all Filipinos, they don't like Marcoses. The one thing I could say, oh, I criticize teacher Evelyn Kaka that she is a Marcos loyalist. I criticize teacher May Tiburcio that she is a Marcos loyalist. And even Ate Dina Guillermo, at Ate Mel Canete, teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, they are imbecile Marcos loyalist. Danmar, oh, you should not criticize that Duterte supporters are dilawan. For example, oh, you remember Tatay Delpin and Nanay Baby? They are victim of martial law. Oh, do you see my relative, Nanay Ningning, who is currently living there in Germany? Oh, because I know Nanay Ningning never returned in the Philippines because her Philippine passport was revoked by Marcos Sr. While she was exiled there in Germany, she applied her German citizenship. Oh, before she married Uncle Jurgen, she returned to the Philippines. Oh, after the Marcoses in 1986. Oh, in EDSA People Power. Oh, you don't know what your history was, Danmar?